Introducing the 2022 Cupra Formentor E-hyb E-hybrid. With a powerful 204 horsepower, this hybrid beauty in sleek grey is packed with top-notch features for a smooth and comfortable ride. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, from automatic hazard lights to privacy glass, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with safety features like anti-collision system and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. And don't forget about the energy recuperation and self-driving capabilities. Rest assured, this car has been fully checked and serviced and comes with a warranty. Interested? Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details today.